Okay, children, today which chapter we'll do? Basic geometrical ideas. Class 6 mathematics, part 1 we'll do. Okay, lesson explanation. Okay. So, in the last videos, last chapter, what we have learned, what is a line, what is a line segment, what are quadrilaterals, what are polygons. I'll just brief through that once again. What is a line? Line is made up of number of points. Line is infinite in length. Okay, line is infinite. It is not finite, not limited. It consists of many number of points. Line. Okay, what is a line segment? Line segment is part of line which contains it has fixed number of points. Only 2 points, one starting point and one ending point will be there. That is a line segment. It is finite, not infinite like a line. Okay. What are these quadrilaterals? Quadrilaterals have made up of four sides. What are the examples of quadrilaterals? Square, rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, trapezium, kite. So what are the properties? Square, all sides are equal and each angle is 90 degree. Rectangle, what are the properties of rectangle? Opposite sides are equal and each angle is 90 degree. Then we have trapezoid, then we have rhombus, we have kite, you have parallelogram. Okay, quadrilaterals. What are polygons? Poly means many, so number of made up of figures made up of number of sides. Polygon. What are the different polygons? Triangle. Basic three-sided polygon is triangle. Then what you have? Four-sided polygon is called quadrilateral. I told you, no, what are the examples of quadrilateral? Then five-sided figure is called pentagon. Six-sided figure is called hexagon. Seven-sided figure is heptagon. Eight-sided figure is called octagon. Nine-sided figure is nonagon. 10-sided figure is decagon. These are examples of polygon. Suppose a line segment AB is there. In the middle there is C. You put a point C. AB, length of AB is equal to AC plus CB. That is because AC, when it is 3 centimeter, CB is 5 centimeter. Total length of AB will be 8 centimeter. Okay, now we'll start with definition of a point. Okay, what is a point? A point in geometry is a location. It has no size, that is no width, no length, no depth. So a point, it does not have any width, length or depth. A point is shown by a dot. I have shown here, no, in red. A, B, C I have written. That is called point. Point is shown by a dot. Points that are on the same line are called what? Collinear points. The points which are on the same line are called as collinear points. Okay. What are the points on the same line are called? Collinear points. Okay. Now what is a line? I told you, no, line is infinite in length. It is not finite. It is made up of number of points. It is also called collection of points that continues forever in both directions. In both directions, it continues. There's no fixed length line. I give an example of line here. How a line looks like. Okay, what is a line segment? Line segment is a portion of a line that has two end points. It is finite in length. Okay, line segment will have what? It is finite in length. It has a definite length. It has a starting point and a ending point. That is, it is made up of two end points. That is starting point and a ending point. That is called line segment. See here, what are the real life examples of line segment? A table. Okay, suppose you in the top of the table you name it as ABCD. Okay, so AB, it has a finite length, BC has a finite length, CD has a finite length. Okay, like that there is a line segment here, X and Y. X is a starting point, Y is a ending point. Then we have a triangle AC. Okay, AC is a line segment. It has a starting point is A, ending point is C. CB is a line segment. C is starting point, B is ending point. CA is a line segment. C is starting point, A is ending point. Okay. Now, what are these parallel and intersecting lines? Okay. If two lines have a common point, they are called as intersecting lines. I have shown here, no, red. I have shown in red marks. One dot is there, no, that is called point of intersection. Intersecting lines means two lines. So two lines here, they have a common point. That is the red color mark I've shown now. That is a common point where they intersect. So if two lines have a common point, they are called intersecting lines. Once again, when two lines have a common point, they are called intersecting lines. That means two lines intersect at a point. That is red in red I have shown now. That is called point of intersection. Lines which do not meet are said to be parallel, are called as parallel lines. What are these parallel lines? Lines which do not meet are said to be parallel. They are called as parallel lines. Parallel lines are given the figure here. This is how it will be. Not intersect at point. They are parallel to each other. Okay. Now, what is a ray? Ray is a part of line with one end point. So examples are given you. Beam of light from a lighthouse. So its light starts here, and in one direction it will keep on extending, and it is a part of line with only one end point. Ray of light from a torch, it also has only one end point. Sun rays also, the rays coming from the sun towards earth, it has only one ending point. Okay children, okay, we'll continue the next part in the next session.